Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Learn Technology in 5 Minutes by MakerDemi.
This is Naveen and part of the instructor team at MakerDemi.
In this episode, we will get a basic overview of what are virtual machines and why are they used in the cloud. First, let us learn about virtual machines. Virtual machines? Machines present virtually? Yes, that's kind of correct. To understand this properly, you would need to know virtualization. Let's say you want to test an application in 3 different operating systems: Windows, Linux, and Unix. You want to run the application on these 3 OSs at the same time to compare their performances. Now, there are 2 solutions here. You can borrow 2 other machines having the other 2 OS, install and test your application, or run all 3 OS at the same time on your system itself. The first option is doable, but it is difficult. The second option doesn't sound sane. Well, you can achieve it by virtualization. It is the process of running a virtual instance of the computer system on the physical hardware. Meaning, you can run any number of OSs in your computer, given that you have the required CPU, bandwidth, memory, and storage resources to share. To run these OSs on top of your host OS, you would require a mediator that dynamically allocates the necessary computing resources among the OSs, and that is called a hypervisor. It is again a software running on the host OS. These individual instances of the computer system are called virtual machines. You can run these on your laptop, servers, or even in the cloud. This is where it gets interesting. In the cloud, you will use the cloud provider's computing resources to create a virtual machine. The fundamental unit of any cloud platform is a virtual machine. Each VM will have virtual hardware mapped to the physical hardware with its own computing resources. If you are planning to run VMs on your own servers, then think about this. You can only scale your VMs to the number of server resources you have. If you want to scale, then you have to add more servers. It is going to cost you, and you can only run one virtual machine on a server. This is not the case with VM services provided by cloud. You can run multiple virtual machines in a single physical server. You will also be able to scale your VMs with a mouse click. And guess what? The best part is you will only pay for the number of resources and the duration for which you use them. Cool, right? People usually use VMs when they want to test new applications, OS, malicious programs, testing incompatible software, etc. These are the general use cases. So that's all about virtual machines. That is all folks. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell to be updated about our future video releases.